Hey guys, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are creating something special called challah bread. It's soft, it's sweet, and it's a total crowd pleasure. Whether you are a baking pro or just having fun, join me as we explore this delicious recipe together. So, grab your ingredients, put on your apron, and let's do this. Begin by adding flour and water to a bowl. Then whisk them together until you have a pudding-like consistency. We are creating a simple roux here. This type of roux contributes to achieving a better quality bread. It's softer and stays fresh for a longer period of time. Cover the mixture with plastic wrap and cook it in the microwave at 600 watts for a minute. After cooking, you'll find the pudding has developed a bit of firmness. Take a spoon and gently mix it to achieve a smoother consistency. Now that our roux is ready, let's move on to making the dough. Add the roux to a stand mixer. Then add water, yeast, vegetable oil, salt, powdered sugar, and eggs. Use the hook attachment and mix the ingredients for 2 minutes on low speed. After 2 minutes, introduce the flour and let the stand mixer work its magic, kneading the dough for a good 10 minutes at speed 2. After 10 minutes of kneading, our dough has come together. It's time to give it a rest for half an hour before we move on to the final kneading stage. Alright, our dough has had its 30 minutes breather. Now let's wrap it up with the final kneading. Set your stand mixer to speed 4 and let it work its magic for another 10 minutes. Get your bowl ready by giving it a light coat of oil. After the final 10 minutes of kneading, shape the dough into a tight ball and place it in the grease bowl. Cover it with plastic wrap and let it rise for 90 minutes. After 90 minutes, gently deflate the dough and divide it into 4 equal pieces. Roll each piece into a cylinder shape and cover them with plastic. Let them rest for 10 minutes. Now gently deflate each dough, fold them and connect both ends. Roll the dough into a baguette shape reaching a length of 45 cm. Repeat the process with the remaining dough pieces. The most satisfying part is braiding the challah bread. Of course, eating it is delightful, but the braiding process is truly awesome. Imagine a clock with these 4 cylinders of dough positioned at 12, 6, 3, and 9. First, overlap them in the center. Then start braiding by bringing 12 to 5, 6 to 12, 3 to 8, and 9 to 4. Repeat this pattern until you reach the end. Secure the end underneath to keep the braided challah in place. Place it on the parchment paper for easy transfer onto the oven stone later on. Cover it with plastic wrap and let it rise for 45 minutes. Just before baking, brush it with egg wash. Bake it in a preheated oven at 170 Celsius for 60 minutes.